He didn't gamble. He didn't waste money. He did what everyone told him to do. He invested in the stock market, lots of money. But one wrong decision, one wrong stock, and within some months, he lost everything, like savings, confidence, and almost his life. This is not just a story. This is a warning. For every stock investors must watch this video till the end, because what destroyed him might already be happening to you. So be careful and stay tuned. Meet Daniel, a normal 32-year-old guy who worked 9-to-5 job, a middle-class life, big dreams, big goals, but he wasn't greedy. He wasn't reckless. He just wanted financial freedom. So like millions of people, he turned to the stock market. At first, everything felt right. But that's how every dangerous story begins. Start is always better, but in the middle and end is very dangerous for every stock investors. Phase 1, the beginning. Daniel started small, stocks investment. He watched YouTube videos, read blogs, followed experts on social media. Everyone said the same thing. Invest early, invest smart, let your money grow. So he did. He invested his first $1,000. And guess what? Within weeks, it became $1,300. He was shocked, excited, addicted. He thought, why didn't I start earlier? If I started in earlier, then present time I am a billionaire. Phase 2, greed kicks in. Now Daniel wanted more. He increased his investment, $5,000, then $10,000. Every small gain made him more confident, or overconfident. Then one day, he saw a stock. Everyone was talking about it. Next big thing, guaranteed growth, hidden gem. It was cheap, it was rising fast, and it felt like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Without thinking twice, Daniel invested almost all his savings into that one stock, but it is very dangerous for them. Phase 3, the warning signs. At first, it went up 10, 20%, even 35%. Daniel felt like a genius. He stopped researching, stopped doubting, stopped thinking. But then, something changed. The stock stopped rising. Then it dipped, just a little. People said, it's normal, buy the dip. So he invested even more, then automatically created a big mistake, and all stockholder is in big problem. Phase 4, the crash. One morning, Daniel woke up, checked his phone, and his heart stopped. The stock had dropped 40% overnight. News broke. The company had hidden debts, fake growth numbers, insider selling. It was all a lie. Daniel panicked, but instead of selling, he waited, hoping it would recover, but it didn't. Next day, down again. Next week, even worse. Within a month, his entire investment was almost wiped out, and now they have lost her everything like investment life and all mine. Phase 5, the real loss. But money wasn't the only thing he lost. He lost sleep. He lost confidence. He lost peace. Every day, he replayed the same thought. Why didn't I sell earlier? Why didn't I research properly? Why did I trust strangers on the internet? The worst part? He didn't tell anyone. Not his family. Not his friends. Because he was ashamed. Then one night, there, sitting alone in his room, looking at his empty bank account, Daniel realized something terrifying. I didn't lose money. I lost control. And that's what broke him. Not the loss, but the regret. The what if, the mistake he couldn't undo. Lesson. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. The stock market doesn't destroy people. Their decisions do. Daniel made 3 deadly mistakes. He followed the crowd blindly. He invested everything in one stock. He ignored risk. And these same mistakes are happening every single day, right now, to people just like you. But here's the scary part. Daniel's story isn't rare. In fact, there are thousands of Daniels in the market today. And maybe, without realizing, you could be next. So before you invest again, ask yourself, am I investing or just gambling with better excuses? If this story made you think, good. Because the market rewards awareness, not emotions. And remember, one wrong stock can cost you everything. If you want to learn how to invest safely and avoid these mistakes, subscribe now, because the next story might save your money or your life. He didn't gamble. He didn't waste money. He did what everyone told him to do. He invested in the stock market, lots of money. But one wrong decision, one wrong stock, and within some months, he lost everything, like savings, confidence, and almost his life. This is not just a story. This is a warning. For every stock investors must watch this video till the end, because what destroyed him might already be happening to you. So be careful and stay tuned. Meet Daniel, a normal